GeoDataMapper is a highly valuable tool for urban planners. Its drawing mode allows users to create polygons and annotate each zone with relevant information. Planners can generate multiple zones, compare their characteristics, and instantly identify the smallest and largest areas, as well as view total and average area calculations. The tool also supports exporting zone data and adding custom attributes within the urban planning interface. Data can be easily exported in formats such as GeoJSON and CSV, making it convenient for further analysis and integration with other planning systems. In the urban planning tools, users can access multiple map layers, each representing a different planning category, including zoning districts, infrastructure, land use, public facilities, transportation, environmental, historic districts, development plans, utility services. Each map layer contains its own set of zone categories and zone types, allowing for detailed classification and analysis. The platform also provides visual analytics, including pie charts and bar charts,